Hello, welcome, and thank you for joining yet another political story on the channel here. It's about the Ben Habib and Rupert Lowe fracas that's going on. I say fracas, probably the wrong word. But don't forget, if you would like to support me, do drop in on the Buy Me a Coffee link so I can have a drink and get on with these videos. Let's take a look. As we move beyond the weekend's reflections, the political landscape remains charged with anticipation. We find ourselves still waiting for Rupert Lowe's response to the intriguing conundrum he's left us pondering from X. His decision is more than just a personal choice. It's a pivotal moment that could shape the future of our country. Now, in the meantime, Ben Habib has stepped forward with clarity and purpose, officially inviting Rupert to join Advance UK.
I am now issuing a formal invitation to Rupert Lowe to join Advance on Monday if he is minded to get back into a political party. Thank you very much, folks.
This invitation is more than symbolic. It's a strategic alignment and could bolster the party's influence and effectiveness. Restore Britain as a movement lacks the structure, the foundation of a formal party, but Advance UK, with its growing membership around 40,000 and well-established framework, offers a ready-made platform for Rupert to step into. Now, Ben Habib's admiration for Rupert is no secret. He's often noted that the party's vision was crafted and created with Rupert in mind as a potential leader. This synergy could unlock endless possibilities, from policy innovation to broader public engagement. Now, of course, all of this hinges on Rupert Lowe's decision. As the political climate continues to evolve, the dynamics and challenges will shape the path forward. But one thing is certain: the collaboration between these influential figures holds the potential to redefine the political landscape. So as we await Rupert Lowe's decision, we remain vigilant and hopeful, recognising whatever unfolds, it will be a defining chapter in the story of British politics and Advance UK. In the wake of recent discussions on the Dan Wootton show, where Nick Tenconi and Ben Habib shared the stage, the air has been thick with talk of alliances and amalgamations. As I've mentioned before, these political alignments could truly unify the right, offering a genuine centre-right and right perspective that moves away from the ego-driven politics of figures like Nigel Farage. In this evolving landscape, the idea of Rupert Lowe joining Advance UK, or even forging political alignments with UKIP and Restore Britain, is more than just speculation. It's a vision of a cohesive and impactful political force, unlike Reform, which is increasingly absorbing figures from across the spectrum. This includes Tories, a Green councillor, and Labour. They're going to announce a defection from that. It becomes a uniparty in one. But Advance UK and Restore remain more focused and principled in their approach. Now, for those who seek real change, the possibilities are vast. It's about creating a political environment where egos take a back seat to the collective good, and where the aim is unity and genuine representation. Whether Rupert aligns with Advance is yet to be seen, or whether he just contributes to the broader centre-right coalition. The ultimate goal is clear: a more effective and unified political presence. Now, in the end, it's the people who stand to benefit from these potential shifts, those who crave genuine representation and meaningful change. As we watch these developments unfold, the horizon looks promising for a more cohesive and impactful political landscape. But yes, it's still very much up in the air. Thank you for watching. Do like, do subscribe, drop a comment if you've got anything to say. Be nice, don't swear. I'll catch you in the next one.